Hello lads, we're here to watch Guy open some packs. Good luck to him. He's got quite a few free ones. Hopefully he gets a couple of half decent players. Here goes the first one. And it is Montoya. Valencia. Decent pace, nothing good. See the consumables. Nothing good there. Quick sell Catamol. So he's got 15 more to go. Nothing good there. 79. Fitness cards are worth £1. It's not bad. A little bit there. Right, let's get something good. Come on. Someone's got Di Maria on the front. It must be a good sign. See if there's any sound. Nope. Cool. And that's dreadful. That is Garay. More Valencia players. Woo! With no pace. Absolutely. Tim Howard. Little known fact, he had Tourette's. There we go. Karius, will he go for anything? Maybe. Worth sending him to the transfer list. Not doing great so far. And not even a rare. Oh dear. Is that Faroe Islands flag? I think so. Oh dear. Keisha. Another fitness card and some contracts. They're always useful. Especially for FUT champions. Can't wait to get started. Quick sell them. They're worth fuck all. Apart from maybe the Turkish player actually. Because of the squad building challenges. Obviously looking at, let's see what he's got. I like that 2 gold pack, that might be good. I think he's going to save the mega pack for last because it's the biggest. Yep. Jivinko? Yeah. His inform is absolutely brilliant. It's so pacey. Good dribbling. Wisdom? He might be worth a little bit. Worth looking through them. Yeah, he's got to be saving that gold pack. Come on. You can tell whether they're any good or not by the animation, the little swoosh thing. Shaqiri. Shame that he's not in form. The Shark. Yeah, list him. Bye. Come on, let's get something good. Oh shit, no, that's Joe Hart. Well, at least he's not got dandruff. No. There's no dandruff. This is why I shouldn't talk over pack openings, because right now I'm just singing. Shaqiri again. Brilliant. Come on, I was hoping to get some good action here. Barbar's worth a little bit, I think, and Shaqiri probably a couple of grand. Don't know about Cork. Oh, Jack Cork. Come on, Guy. That's a walkout. No, it isn't. Oh, that is. I thought it was Valbuena. It's Fekir. Damn it. I saw the swishy thing. Because that goes for a little bit. But again, nothing worth anything more than 5k or so. Come on. Berkey? Yeah. It was either going to be Berkey or Summer. Swiss goalkeeper in Deutsche Bundesliga. That Gambia goes for a little bit, I think. Yeah, he'll go for nothing. Come on, Guy. Get something good. Oh, Mangala. I thought it was Rami for a second. Then I realised he played for Sevilla. Oh, Wendell goes for a bit. Left back, it'll go for 2 or 3 grand. Worth keeping an eye on. Did well for me in the Bundesliga. Come on. Camacho? Yeah. I've opened way too many packs to know. Oh, you got a fat pie, man. I swear, you just pack the same players all the time. I swear to God, if he packs Ryan Shawcross, I've packed Ryan Shawcross. Like double figures. That's a walkout. Oh shit. Shit. Oh, I saw Belgian. I got excited. Still, Courtois, it's not bad. That is nice. I saw Belgian and then I saw the Chelsea flag and I was like, oh shit. But no, Courtois is not bad. Go for a couple of 100k, I reckon. Makes it worth it. Opening these packs. It's a couple of 100k for Black Friday. I want to look into that silver. And Werner goes for a bit as well. Nice. Yeah, you show off that Courtois guy. Nice one. Well done, mate. That's what I want to see. I want to see my mates packing good players. Let's get another one. Is that Obafemi Martins? That can't be. No. Arbeloa. Real Madrid legend. Come on, 3 more. Let's get something good in one of these. One more walkout. Go on. It's Ryan fucking Shawcross. Oh my god. I've packed him like double figures. He's back again. Nah, nothing there. Bordeaux player. Up the Bordeaux. Up the Duolon. Come on, I've got a good feeling about this pack. 2 rare. One of them's got to be good. No. John Obi Mikel. Oh, brilliant. To be fair, Man United's best ever transfer dealing. Bought him for 1 million. Sold him for 8 and he didn't even play a game for the club. He might go for a bit. Belgium. Here it goes. Last mega pack. 50k pack. And it is worth nothing. Bernat. Brilliant. Well, that was worth it. Oh, Walcott was alright. Rafinha. Apart from that, a few contracts, fitness cards, they'll come in handy for foot champs. Those position cards, they'll be worth a little bit. Especially the CDM to CM one. Apart from that, nothing to shout about. At least he got Courtois. And if I'm not mistaken, that means he is out of packs. Not bad though. Probably 200k back from that in total by the time he sells them all. Maybe 180. It's not bad. Right, that's it then. That was a pack opening. Cheers guys.